Did you know that Lego bricks are being used to rewrite African history? This isn't a story of ancient artifacts or historical records, but rather a modern movement led by Black Lego artists who are reclaiming narratives long omitted from mainstream education. Imagine the Mali Empire, the Nile Valley, and Great Zimbabwe rebuilt brick by brick, not as they were centuries ago, but as vibrant symbols of cultural pride and innovation. This is the world of Lego City Masterbuilds, where art meets history in the most unexpected way. The Lego Group, founded in 1932 in Denmark, has long been known for its Eurocentric themes like Lego City and Lego Castle. But in recent years, Black and African-descended artists have taken the iconic bricks and turned them into tools of empowerment. Ekow Nimako, a Canadian-Ghanaian sculptor, has led this charge with his intricate Afrofuturist creations. His work, alongside artists like Adam Ward and the Black-owned Most Incredible Studio, is redefining what Lego can represent. The Lego City Masterbuilds you're about to see are not historical artifacts. They are contemporary artistic projects, modern interventions that blend historical accuracy with speculative futures. Take the project titled Building Black Civilizations, the Nile 3025 CE, for example. This massive installation, made of 1 million Lego bricks, imagines a future where African civilizations have reclaimed their glory. It's Afrofuturism at its finest, blending the past, present, and future into a single, breathtaking vision. The exhibition opened at the World Museum Amsterdam in October 2025 and runs until March 2026, drawing international acclaim. But this movement is about more than just art. It's about education and cultural identity. These masterbuilds serve as tactile, visual tools to teach African history, filling gaps left by Eurocentric textbooks and toys. They challenge cultural erasure by spotlighting medieval African civilizations like the Mali Empire and Great Zimbabwe, often neglected in mainstream narratives. And they inspire pride, connecting modern Africans and African-descended people with their ancestral heritage. The commercial success of this project is undeniable. The Because of You, Legacy in Focus set, a 539-piece pre-order-only kit set to release in 2025, retails for $199, making it a high-end, limited edition product. Created by Black-owned companies like Because of Them We Can and Most Incredible Studio, it's a testament to the growing influence of African history-themed Lego products. Yet, this movement is not without controversy. Some critics argue that using Lego, a Eurocentric commercial product, to represent African history is inappropriate. Others point to the inaccessibility of these high-end sets, particularly in low-income African communities. And there's the broader issue of cultural erasure, as these projects strive to reclaim histories often suppressed or omitted entirely. But for the artists involved, the mission is clear: to visualize, educate, and inspire. Through Lego City Masterbuilds, they are not just building models, they are building bridges to the past and futures yet to come. This is the story of how Lego bricks became more than toys, they became tools of cultural revolution.